Hi, this is a tutorial on how to complete the English 102 Unit 3 Persuasive Research Report. This is an introduction to the project. Within D2L, if you go to Content and go to Unit 3, click on the Persuasive Research Report and go to the Guidelines. Here you'll get an explanation of what this assignment is. So what we're doing is investigating a question relevant to a contemporary issue and create a thesis that is persuasive in nature. We want your research question to relate to current issues related to your chosen career field, or it could be based on college issues. Your research question must be approved by me, so you will want to post that as the instructions in D2L describe. The idea of this report is that you are going to explore this question and come up with some kind of persuasive position. So it isn't strictly informational. So for example, you wouldn't ask or say in your report, here are the different treatments for diabetes. That would be informational, but you might, in a persuasive way, say, in order to control diabetes or maybe to prevent diabetes, here are some strategies. Now we're taking a position, we're urging action, and that would be persuasive. So for this report, you're going to be ultimately looking for 6 credible sources, and that will be in a later step. For now, you're just going to be focusing on your research question. But you're going to find 6 credible sources, and then you are going to create a report with a references page with appropriate citations for all of your sources and a source evaluation, which will be explained in a later step of the project. This paper is your longest paper. It must be a minimum of 1925 words, not counting the title page, the references, or the appendix. And this will be strictly in third-person point of view. So you've not had that before. Actually, you did on the critical analysis, come to think of it. So unlike your career report, this is going to be strictly in third person, no first person or second person point of view. All right, so what you want to do is watch the video on how to create a research question. Think about issues that are related to your career choice, or if you really don't want to do something of that nature, you could think of a college issue. So it's just not a general topic of your choosing, and again, I must approve your question. And so your assignment initially is to post that research question here in the discussion board or discussion tool. So once you have that, you'll go to the discussion, create your thread, and post your research question. This project is a large project. It's going to be broken down into steps. So for now, just please read the guidelines, read through the PowerPoint, watch the video on creating a research question, and post what you believe would be your research question. And if you have any problems or questions, of course, contact me via email or phone, and I'll try to help you out.